Do you believe in strengthening the roots, or just you want to work superficially? You know, what is happening nowadays is people are talking about superficial things, leaving the roots behind, and that's why they fall abruptly in the longer run. So, what I believe is fundamentals will remain the same. The basics of human psychology, interaction will remain the same. The basic principles of business remains the same. What changes would be strategies, tools, technology, surroundings. Those things will keep on changing. They'll be taking newer shapes with time. Yes, everything is evolving with time, but the fundamental will remain the same. So, if you want to be successful in your life, in your business, do the groundwork proper. Make your roots so strong that whatever may be the scenario, whatever may be the tools and technologies coming and in place, you are like weatherproof. You have to, yes, adopt newer technologies with time. You have to go with the flow with time. But if your roots are strong, then only you can do it easily. And you know what? You know, I'll give you a recent example. In during the COVID-19 times, a lot of countries got into debts. Why didn't India? Because in India, there is a term where the house lady, they keep saving money, right? So this money is somewhat taken from the owning member of the family, but stored somewhere as a reserve money, which helped the Indians to recover faster, and these Indians didn't go into that debt as what the other people in the other countries had. So that's what the power of fundamentals. The fundamental was a emergency fund which you have already created. Similar things we do in our lives. We do create funds for our emergency. We do have certain other reserves, maybe in the form of assets, in the form of liquid funds, in the form of knowledge, in the form of relationship. That we need to be very strong, because that is the foundation. If you are in a trouble, you go to a friend. If you have a true friend, that friend would be giving you all those solutions which you need. That's the fundamental, right? But if there is just a transactional friendship, those friends will fly away if you are in need and you're going to ask for help. That's what I'm talking about. So work on your roots, work on the fundamentals, so that whatever may be the case, your growth is unstoppable.